In this short tutorial, you will learn how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos to your phone's gallery. Many people have noticed that their gallery gets filled with images from chats. This can eat up your mobile data. Plus, all those extra images can take up a lot of space on your phone. Luckily, it's easy to change this setting in WhatsApp. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner. This will show you a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. Tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Chats. This is where newly downloaded media can be prevented from appearing in the device's gallery. Look for an option called Media Visibility and toggle off the switch next to it. With this adjustment made, new media will no longer clutter up the gallery. But wait, we're not done yet. If you want complete control over what gets downloaded, let's disable Media Auto Download as well. Go back to the main settings page by tapping the back arrow. Now tap on Storage and Data. Now you'll see a section labeled Media Auto Download, which has three different options based on your connection type: mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. Let's start with when using mobile data. Tap here, and you'll see checkboxes for photos, audio, videos, and documents. Uncheck all these boxes so they don't automatically download while you're using mobile data. Once done, tap OK to save those changes. Now let's do the same thing when connected to Wi-Fi. Tap on When connected to Wi-Fi and uncheck all those boxes again: photos, audio, videos, and documents. And tap OK once more. If you often roam internationally or use a limited plan while traveling abroad, don't forget about this option. Just repeat the steps. And there you have it. Now when someone sends you a photo or video in WhatsApp, it won't download automatically anymore. Instead, you'll need to tap that download button whenever you're ready. This way, you keep control over what goes into your gallery without any surprises. If this video helped you out today, or if you've got any questions about other WhatsApp features or anything tech-related, drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.